Guys, I just decided to clean this part for I don't know. It's just that this is the place where I know that where I get some of the mushrooms that I'm looking for. This part, but I decided to clean it up for me to be able to see the whole. But yeah, they are here. There's something here, but they are already. I think I'm late. They are already decomposed here. They have already decomposed. Here, it's already decomposed. Those area, this. I think last time when I went here, that's the time where these are fresh yet. But this is, these are, but they are already decomposing, started to decompose. Oh, somebody has uh, got them first, some of them, but they didn't see this area. Oh, it's already decomposed. I think even this, it's already decomposed. So guys, I feel to get them. Even that person who get this, I don't know why he only get this and he didn't look around for more. I think it is better for him to just get them all because it's useless. They are all decomposed now. So I don't know if the person who saw those know that those are for food, because oh, this is also, these are also some, they have already decomposed. Sheesh, I'm very late. I think last week or last week, that's the last time where I passed by here, and I come here but I did not notice, I did not put my full attention to it. But now they are now decomposed. That way they have decomposed. Yes. They have already decomposed, even the small ones. They have already decomposed. Even when I look for this in this area, they have already decomposed. I don't know. Last time when I went there, I didn't. I did check those, but I did not clean up for them, for me to be able to see them clearly. That's why I did not know. I just said to myself they didn't grow yet, but now see, checking them, it is, they have already, I'm late, they've already decomposed. I think when I go there down to the basement of the Globe Tower internet provider, I hope I will see some of them again, because the last week or last week where I passed by here, I get some mushrooms there, but I didn't, as I just said, I didn't see the mushrooms there that have been decomposed today. Again, I failed to recognize them or see them. So up until now it is still zero mushroom. You get nothing more. You get nothing mushroom. No mushroom. No mushroom. So that's the globe tower there. There's I don't know what but I was a child at that time where there's a very critical story about this in this area. This globe tower area. That in this area, that's the globe tower. There's a story there. I don't know what my age was that. There's a story here in this area. I don't know if it is literally in this globe tower, in the basement of this. There are okay, I will just tell you the story, but first we will just go and check first if there's people here. Oh, this is the globe tower. So I think there's no human here. And this is the area where I get some of the mushrooms that I'm looking for today. In this area. But now it seems like nothing left, or someone has already come here again and harvest them. Because in this area this is the area where I get some of them. I will just go here and get some leaves of the plant here. I will just get some of this for food. Sa bayan. Yeah. Oh shucks, there's literally no mushroom here. I don't know what kind of people are these. I don't know if these people who are coming up here on this tower who are putting their waste here, all around here. Maybe they are there inside of there, then they will just throw here their waste. Don't know. On the next part, I think part 5 or part 6, I will tell you the story about this tower here. I will tell you the story because it's already 10:52 minutes. I have no time to tell the story because I only have at least 3 point something minutes to tell the story, so I need a time more time, so it is better to explain it on the next part. So I will just film this here. There's literally no, I don't see. I don't know, is it because last time when I come here I get even those who are small mushrooms, even those small mushrooms I get them because they grow easily when you those mushrooms can only live 2 to 3 days. Then when you don't go to you were not able to find them in 2 to 3 days for them living on this world, then they will decompose already. They will start decomposing. So of course, while they are decomposing, wow, there's another mountain here. I think I just better go see it and check it if there's a mushroom down here. Because this if I see some mushrooms here, I will just go down and take a shortcut again, because last time when I decided to take a shortcut, it's yes, I was able to take a shortcut, but it's still long cut. Compared today, I have an opportunity to take the more shortcut way, but I don't have I didn't find or I didn't get any mushrooms yet. That's why it depends. When I will go check that way up until there, and if I see something, then maybe I will just decide to go down there and take a shortcut to go home. But on the way, because I have some spots on the way there, that's where I will go and check that's the time where I will go and check the mushrooms. So guys, it's already 14 turning 15 minutes. So guys, thank you.